Hello friends, this is Dhruvia. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos. Okay guys, so I know today's video is little kiddish, little childish, little something very common, but yeah, it is like something useful. Okay guys, so today I'm going to tell you guys like how to remove nail polish using this kind of nail remover, that is liquid nail remover. Yes, it is very easy for the people who know, but there must be a lot of people who really don't know how to remove nail polish. So yeah, I'll be using this Lakme nail color remover. Always remember, for your nails, always use good remover, because this will not damage your nails. Otherwise all this simple local nail remover will damage your nails. Yes, it may be little costly, but it lasts, and it is like always prevention is better than cure, because it will not damage your nails and it will keep your nails healthy and look fresh and look good. So yeah, the rate of this is rupees 90 and it is 27 ml. Yeah, it is 27 ml and it is really nice nail remover. I am using this since ages, like really I don't remember like from when I'm using this, but it is really nice. And today I'll show you how to remove nail polish from your nails, and today I'll give some tips and tricks and hacks while removing this nail polish while using this nail remover. Yeah, that's it. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so I have this yellow nail polish on my hands. I hope you guys can see, and this is for voting. I have voted. This proves everyone must vote. Okay, see, I have on my hands. So it is half nail polish. I know it looks always dirty, but yes, we'll remove this today. Okay, first thing you need to do is just open this bottle. You'll need a cotton and a bottle of remover, and just take half of. Yeah, don't take too much because it's useless wasting cotton. Okay, now open this bottle. Just take some amount of remover on this cotton. See, it's blue now. Yeah, it's just acetone, so just cover it as soon as possible because it gets dried. Now just remove this way. Yes, the yellow, see the nail polish, the color of nail polish remains on your hands and all those stuffs. But yeah, first thing you need to do is just remove all for once and then use it again. Now see, there are little yellowish nails and even here, but it's okay if you are reapplying another colored nail polish, it won't be visible. But if you totally want to remove all this yellowish parts, then what you can do is just take one more time cotton and a remover and do the same procedure again. So this will totally clean your nails. See, my yellowish thing is also getting removed. You can see the difference between this and this nails. There is something yellow over here. You can apply fresh remover with cotton, fresh cotton. See, since my cotton is yellow, all the things will get yellowish. But see, it is done. Yeah. See, you can see the difference. Now I'll remove from here also. Yes, I don't have such long nails, but it's fine. Whatever I have, I am happy. And I'll take care of that. Similarly goes for you. Whatever you have, be happy and just take care of those things. Yeah. See, it's done. Yeah. No yellowish, means no nail polish color stains left behind, and it is cleaned. So this remover is amazing. Okay guys, that was all, and my nails are literally cleaned and no extra stains and all those of nail polish are left. So this remover is amazing. This is not a sponsored video. This is something I use and something I love and I would love to share with you guys. That was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, bye bye. See you in next video.